The Ordinary Multi-Antioxidant Radiance Serum is your new go-to daily defense against environmental damage and dullness. In this video, we're sharing what this serum actually does, how to use it properly, and some important do's and don'ts so you can get the most out of this serum. The Multi-Antioxidant Radiance Serum is designed to do exactly what the name suggests: fight environmental stress and bring back your skin's glow. This formula uses 8 advanced antioxidant technologies that protect the skin from pollutants like smog and UV-induced stress, while also helping to brighten dull skin, smooth uneven texture, strengthen the skin barrier, reduce the look of dark spots and signs of premature aging. Whether you use it in the morning to shield your skin or at night to support overnight recovery, it's a powerhouse for atmospheric skin aging. Let's look at the 8 superstar ingredients that make this serum such a good one. First, we have a stabilized form of vitamin C that converts into active ascorbic acid in the skin to brighten and protect. Next is ginseng extract, which soothes and protects skin from stress caused by environmental aggressors. Then we have EGCG green tea extract, a potent antioxidant that helps shield the skin from damage and inflammation. Next ingredient is Tremella fusiformis extract snow mushroom, a moisture-binding polysaccharide that hydrates the skin and creates a protective film to lock it in. Then we have acetyl tetrapeptide 2, a biomimetic peptide that improves radiance and supports a more even tone. Next is heptapeptide 6 turmeric peptide, which offers antioxidant protection while addressing visible signs of aging. Then we have ergothionine, a naturally occurring antioxidant that helps minimize the effects of environmental skin stress. And finally, tocotrienols, vitamin E derivative. Sourced from annatto seeds, these help reduce signs of pollution-induced aging while calming irritation. This is antioxidant layering done right. Let's now jump into how to use the serum in your skincare routine. Begin with cleansing your skin and pat dry. Apply a toner, which is optional. Apply 2 to 3 drops of serum to your face, neck, and chest area. Apply your eye cream around the eye contour area. Apply your moisturizer. During your morning routine, apply sunscreen to finish. You can use the serum both morning and in the evening. Here are some do's and don'ts when using the serum in your routine. Do use this serum both morning and night for round-the-clock protection. Do layer it under other serums, moisturizers, and makeup. Do store in a cool, dry place to protect its antioxidant potency. Don't mix with copper peptides in the same routine. Don't skip sunscreen in the morning. The Ordinary Multi-Antioxidant Radiance Serum is like your skin's bodyguard and personal trainer, protecting during the day and renewing overnight. If you've been noticing more dullness, uneven tone, or early signs of aging, this might just be the serum to try next. Have you tried the new Multi-Antioxidant Radiance Serum from The Ordinary yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. To take a deeper dive into the best Ordinary products to use, check out these videos here next.